Hi,
Hello,
good
friends,
evening.
and welcome
Yeah,
to Dhruva News. So, today, as we said, we are going to review the latest release on Netflix, The White Tiger. So, it stars Priyanka Chopra, Rajkumar Roy, and a newcomer, Adarsh Gaurav, who is getting a lot of rave reviews at present for his acting. So, we have Mary with us, and she'll also be sharing her reviews about The White Tiger, and by the end of it we'll give a rating to the movie, and then you can decide for yourself if you want to watch it over the week. And if you decide to do share your reviews with us in the comment section or the DM. So, Mary, have you seen The White Tiger?
yeah, I just saw it during the weekend and I really like the concept of it, even though it's very controversial, racial, and I don't know, all kinds of things like bashing India right and left in the movie, but still it has a point. The last line I liked when he like kind of ends it, he says, "This is the age of the brown and the yellow man." So it's really interesting to note that India has been portrayed, I can say, in a very controversial way, but yet it ends in a very different way. I will say it has shades of Parasite, very much. Like the rich and the poor, and the poor entering the rich life and trying to be like the rich. So it's very parallels I can draw with the movie Parasite. So that's what I liked about it. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, you do make a very interesting point. There is a lot of similarity between the White Tiger and the Parasite, in the sense that the rich and the poor, the disparity between the
Yeah.
rich and the poor has been highlighted. So even I saw this movie, and I think I saw it at the start of this week, and I really liked it, just like you. So, but another point that I would like to make is it's based on a novel. Like, it's a scene to scene, rather word to word rendition of a novel that came out back in 2008. It was by Arvind Adiga. And when The White Tiger came, it was really appreciated and loved by the readers, because it was from the perspective and point of view of a person who was at the bottom of the pyramid in terms of the societal and the pay parity. So
Yeah.
right from the bottom of the barrel, this person rises to the top.
Yep.
So it was very interesting at that time to read something like that, and it really gave a lot of hope to a lot of people that one could really rise from uh, rise from the bottom to the top. So that's why the book was really appreciated and loved by all. But when we talk about the movie, of course, it is a very gripping story, and it shows how a person rises from the bottom of the barrel to somewhere in the middle, and it really gets dark in the
Yep.
middle as well. But what I really did not understand is that when somebody like Priyanka Chopra, Rajkumar Rao, big names in the movie industry, they decide to make a movie, and the way they have generalized the entire perception of Indian people, like Indians don't really have to go to America and study there to learn basic civil sense, to learn basic driving sense. Like, we do not kick our servants, we do not abuse them that frequently. So that generalization was a bit wayward to me. It really affected me somewhere, because people who are in that power to make cinema that reaches so many people, you really need to draw a subtle line. But having said that, even that is understandable, that had they given that benefit of doubt to the Indian society, then the essence of the story won't have come through the way it came out at present. So that was one point that was a little wary. And another thing that I really noticed was that the dialect that Priyanka Chopra and Rajkumar Rao have tried to imitate in the movie, it has really fallen flat. It seems that they didn't really work on their dialect much, and they didn't really make an effort to make it sound and seem more authentic. It was too forced. So that was sort of a put off. Otherwise, the direction, the dialogues, the cinematography, it was bang on. And the person who stole the show, I believe, I think you'll also agree, it was
Exactly.
Adarsh.
Others.
So he was as Balram. He played such a perfect character, and I think he's the star of the show. So, Mary, what do you say? Like, how much rating? What number of stars are you going to give the movie out of 5?
What I feel is looking at Adarsh acting, I actually kind of envisioned Ranveer Singh during his early days when he entered Bollywood. He has that same, village mentality that he had, the same kind of body language and everything. And the strong point of this movie is, like, I will say, they're trying to show that the city people, they really don't like when a villager knows English, or he is like kind of educated. They don't want the villagers to get educated, or maybe that is why they showed him getting kicked and thrown around like a football, because he knew how to read and write. They couldn't like kind of overpower him or manipulate him into doing things. So I think that was the subtle underlying message out there. And one scene I really liked was the pyre scene when his father was like lit on the pyre, the legs that
Yeah,
go up. I mean, I haven't seen such a scene in any film or movie. I mean,
it was very
it was,
stimulating. True.
yeah, it was truly stimulating. I mean, and the dialogue that goes, like he was trying to come out, like come to life even while in death. I mean, that was truly amazing. That scene was really amazing. I really liked that scene
Yeah.
a lot. And obviously Adarsh was the star of the show, and I feel I would give the film around 4.5, because I felt it's somewhat like Parasite, very similar to Parasite. But in an Indian way. They try to make it a little Indianized, because obviously Priyanka Chopra in Hollywood and she's connected to all that. So yeah, I would say 4.5 for me. Yeah. What about you?
So
Like
four and a
with the
half from Mary, and I think just because of the dialect part of it and the generalization part of it, I'll give it 3.5. So I think when we do an average, I think we can
yeah,
both agree on four,
4.
4 out of 5.
Yeah,
So
yeah, right.
I think that's a good enough rating, and we can suggest our viewers to watch it over the week. And it's a very good, entertaining watch. What do you think, Mary?
Yeah, it's a very entertaining watch. I mean, you can watch it with your family. Nothing vulgar, nothing bad in it. It's a good educating film, and yeah, you can watch it during Netflix and chill during the weekend.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly.
So
So
viewers,
that was it
yeah,
from us, Srishti and Mary from
yeah.
Dhruva News. So do watch The White Tiger over the week and let us know how you liked it. Our rating, our review for the film is 4 out of 5. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
evening.
Thank you. Bye.